Fatima Rinsha, studying UKGB. Today let's talk about good habits. Habits are like things we do every day without even thinking too much. First, brushing your teeth. It keeps your smile nice and healthy. Just a couple of minutes easy. Then saying please and thank you. It's like magic words that make everyone happy. Don't forget to pick up your toys, keep your space nice and neat, and everyone smiles. Eating fruits and veggies is like eating superpowers. They make you strong and taste good. And bedtime sleep is like recharging your superpowers. It helps you a fantastic day tomorrow. So let's try these habits and make every day awesome. Thanks everyone.